Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time, yeah, I bought something else and it was not on my wish list, but I found it and I did not want to risk losing it. And so this came all the way from Japan, and let me go ahead and open it with you guys. Oh, I forgot my intro, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, I am back, and here we go. I am just opening it up. Like I said, it did come from Japan. I did purchase it from eBay, and I do trust the Japanese resellers a lot more than any other sellers on eBay, primarily because I've always had a great experience with them. They're always so responsive, and yeah, I just trust them. So here is the box. Or it's wrapped in some bubble wrap. Now let me cut it open. Actually, I'm kind of scared to cut it open. I might cut the box, so let me just tear into it. Alright, so here is the box. And before I show you guys this item, here is the inside. Oh, look, and they even put the card in a little baggie to protect it. And now, it's not fake, I know that much, because I did get it authenticated, and just because it comes in a plastic like this, or any kind of plastic, does not mean it is fake. You know, you could tell by the numbers. Here is the starting of it. I think it's a 21 series, if it'll focus. Anyways, it is real, don't worry, it's definitely real, and I have so many other Chanel pieces that I know what's real and what's not. So here is the dust bag, and if you saw a previous video where I called it an unboxing fail, this is, ooh, that's really nice. So this is basically to make up for it, because ever since I got it, I got that other one, I was still on the lookout for another one, but then this showed up, and let me go ahead and just take it out. It is a red key holder, and wow, they like wrapped it up with things. And yeah, this one is, now they did advertise this as used, and yeah, I felt okay with it because they did give detailed pictures of everything. The only thing that I did not like was that the hardware was a little bit worse for wear, if you guys can see, but that really did not bother me so much because it is in the silver hardware. And if you guys have seen a very old video of mine where my gold hardware started turning silver, that was pretty terrible, but since this is silver, it is only going to stay silver. And from far away, you could hardly see that there are some scratches on here, and I figure it will be used, and so it will get scratches. But otherwise, the inside is very clean. There's not a lot of marks on the leather, so that's another good point. And another thing I wanted to show you guys, so here, I won't show you the number, but here is the authenticity sticker, and here, so if you've ever purchased anything from, I'm not sure if it's from only Japan or any other Asian countries, but they usually come with a sticker, if it'll focus. Oh my gosh, I'm not really good at this. Anyways, it comes with a sticker that tells what the date was when this purchase was originally made. And this one was originally made December 13, 2015. So that was about 3 years ago, and I'm really happy with this piece. And like I have said before, when I did unbox the other one that I was not happy with because it was advertised as brand new and it was obviously used, I did end up getting my money back from that experience. So that was a really you know, experience. You know, sometimes it happens, but luckily eBay is good with buyer protection. They are horrible with seller protection, so I don't even sell anything through eBay anymore. But I was able to get my refund, and I was able to use that money for this item. And it actually was even better because at the time I purchased this item, I also was able to use a coupon that they had going on. That was, I think, 15... Was it 15? It was either 15 or 20% off of any item. And so be on the lookout for those coupons. I usually try to post on my Instagram whenever there is a coupon that I think you guys would be interested in. Not just eBay or but also, like, you know, Yugi's Closet. Sometimes Fashionphile has these coupons, because if I'm able to use that coupon, I want you guys to be able to have access to using that coupon also. So I did save, I think it was like $100 off of this piece. And yeah, I won't say how much I purchased this item for, but I got a really good deal off of it. And yeah, here again, if you're not familiar with this piece, it also has a back pocket. You can see here, which is unlike the Mona Lisa pocket or the half moon pocket that people like to say on the back of jumbos or classic medium large, or even the extra large card cases. This goes all the way from here to here, and I'm not sure. Okay, so it stops like at the bottom here. It does not go all the way down here. Another aspect of this card case, if you guys are not familiar with it, so there is a pocket on this side as well where you can keep cards. And let me take the card out of the bag so you guys can see. And it does pay to protect this because there's hardly a scratch on it. So let me show you guys. So this pocket is big enough to fit a credit card or your ID. And now there is also another pocket here, but you can't really use that for much, not unless you have, I don't know what you would even fit in there. Maybe like a folded up dollar bill that you fold up maybe 4 or 5 times or something. And what I wish this did have, though, because I know the Louis Vuitton key cases, this piece is connected at the bottom, and so people are able to use the backside here as a place to keep a card as well, but unfortunately this one does not do it. And now I have been on the lookout for one of these pieces for the longest time because they have since been discontinued, and they have a new version that are being sold in the stores now. And so I have owned this piece several times before in the black caviar leather, in the silver hardware, and in the lambskin leather with the, no, the lambskin leather had the silver, excuse me, and the caviar leather in the black had the gold. but I've always sold them because I never used it. And I don't know why, but I've since then wanted to get it again to see if I'll use it. And let me just tell you, so the new cost for the new model of this card case or the key case is $750. Could you believe that? And when I had purchased it, they were only like $550. And at the time I also purchased it in Hawaii, and it was, I think, in the $400 range. And so I could buy the new one, but I just can't justify spending $750 on it. So I was glad to be able to find this one. And yeah, so that does it for this video. I hope you liked it. And if you have any comments or questions, suggestions, anything like that, please leave them down below. And until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.